What are the properties and effects of your tasbihat given to people, especially on La Hawla wa la Quwata illa billah and Ayat Karima?
So there are some questions which lead to higher philosophy in technology. If you read the translation of La Hawla wa la Quwata illa billah, it means neither I have any power of decision nor any physical power to execute anything good or bad. So I surrender all my rights of thinking and acting in favor of God. Then God takes you over. This is the biggest mystic approach when I surrender totally my resolutions, my thinking processes, my needs and their solutions only in favor of God. Then obviously this is a very great degree of faith. And that's why Allah's Prophet said, okay, whoever says, Hayya ala salah, Hayya ala falah, and the listeners would say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, okay, I cannot come to salah, I cannot come to falah, unless and my God takes over me and tawfiq de, and He gives me the power to enact, and I can go for namaz. That is the greatest faith. And Prophet said, who really with faith and belief this says, he nare dozakh us pe haram kar di gayi, and that he will never ever see the anger of wrath of hell. He will never see the wrath of hell.
And Ayat Karima, sir?
Ayat Karima, I think, is the simplicity of a human expression who believes in God. It only means, okay, O Lord God, I'm sure you are above all mistakes and you cannot make a mistake. But me, as your creation, I suffer a fatal flaw of mistakes. I've made a mistake. I'm sorry. You can say this. You got it. So Allah promises back that whosoever says this, I'll forgive him. And not only today or tomorrow, till the day this world exists. Kazalika nunjil mu'minin. Till the day a single Muslim exists, and who asks forgiveness in this pattern, that you are the purest and there is no mistake in you, no flaw. I am a man, I am made with a fatal flaw. I make mistakes, I'm sorry. Then Allah, the judgment of God in His favor will reach him. Inshallah ta'ala al-Aziz.
Thank you, sir.